Hey guys, welcome, and I'm so glad you stopped in. You are obviously here for some motivation, and motivation you shall get. So in this video, I'll just be restocking my pantry and getting things organized. I've been wanting to refill all my candy jars and have finally gotten that accomplished, which always feels so rewarding. I didn't want all the candy this time because I try to limit my children from eating too much candy. Although most of the candy we had in here was not eaten by my kids, but by Daddy. Keith has definitely developed a sweet tooth over the last 20 years of our marriage, as I am from a family that doesn't just have a sweet tooth, but many sweet teeth. I remember when we were first married, I could not get him to have any sweets with me. And I always felt so guilty because I would be eating sweets, and he didn't want anything to do with sweets. So he was just no fun. But now he's the one that's always like, why didn't you get something sweet when you went grocery shopping? Why didn't you get some cookies or some ice cream? And here I am trying to be healthier. And so we've just pretty much switched places. So anyway, I'll be filling my jars with assorted nuts and trail mix instead of all the candy, so to avoid the temptation and the cavities. Hopefully some of you are in need of some refrigerator motivation, because after this, that's where I will be heading because my fridge is way overdue. It's an absolute mess, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
To swim, jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet. Sitting in the back of your car, wishing for this road to take us far. Now I've been way too long, I'm going home. Oh, sweet memories of a town I love, but
you guys can see or not the huge mess that I'm making. The mouth of these jars are so small that it's really hard for me to get an even stream of nuts into these jars without spilling them all over the place.
And I know that it's hard, but in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while.
I can't believe this little guy of mine is almost 4. He'll be turning 4 on Christmas Eve. And I'm just so sad that he won't be my toddler for much longer. But for those that may be new to my channel, he's such a ham and insists on making his appearance in most of my videos. I've been singing the song to him by Sugarland called Stuck Like Glue for the past couple of years now. I sing it to him all the time because he always has to be with his mama, and he's definitely considered a mama's boy of his 5 brothers. He crawls into bed with Keith and I every single night. I wake up every morning and there he is right by my side. He's just such a precious little boy. He really is. Lately, Keith has been doing this thing where he teases Marshall and he says, "Are you stealing my woman?" And Marshall will say, "She's my woman." It's too funny, you guys. I'm gonna have to get that on video for you.
Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover
wanted to fill a couple baskets and just clean it up in here. I got my candy jars filled. We've got roasted almonds, jawbreakers, and fireballs, some trail mix and walnuts, almonds, walnuts, jawbreakers, more trail mix, peanuts, trail mix, peanuts, and jawbreakers. So yeah, finally got those filled up. I put the Zevias here. Still got my waters over there. And I've got some cans here and here because I ran out of room, obviously, in my can organizers. So I'm probably gonna end up putting these and these down in the basement. But for now, I just left them here. But the baskets are all organized and most of my containers are filled. I need to get more marshmallows to fill this container here.
No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'm still gonna be dreaming, still gonna be dreaming of you. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Okay guys, so before I clean the fridge, obviously I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to wipe it all down. I'm going to get rid of quite a few things that need to be thrown out. They've expired. And I'm gonna just do some rearranging. Who likes eggnog? It's either a love or a hate relationship. It's never in between from, my experience. Let me know down in the comments if you are team eggnog or not. Leave me a drooling emoji if you are.
I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He
there was a spill here that I just could not get off. It was stuck like cement, you guys, and I ended up taking a knife to it and scratching my glass, which was, I probably could have been avoided if I had used like hot water and soap and just let it sit for a few minutes, but I got it.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Look at me, I'm fine here without you. I can see that you're doing pretty well too. I guess we're good at pretending. Can't you see I've nowhere to hide now? Let's agree to figure this out right now. Unless we both decide to let it go before we even try. I know we got a losing head, but I want you to understand that this ain't got nothing on me and you. No matter how badly that we've been bruised, and maybe we can still be friends. Our story doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends.
Keith is so funny, you guys. He came over to investigate my cleaning, and he saw an area that it's a really hard area that I can't get to, that he ended up finding a way to get to, which I was actually really grateful. But I think that my OCD has worn off onto Keith a little bit, because I'll tell you guys, he was not like this when we were first married. Keith was never one to care about the details, whereas I was all about the details, and it just like irritated both of us. Like, I just couldn't understand how he thought, and he couldn't understand my way, my process of thinking. And just over the years, we have really become so much more compatible. I swear, you guys, we can read each other's thoughts.
Went to the bottom, but it was worth it.
So in case you guys are wondering, I got these 2 egg organizers off of Amazon, and I just love the way they're styled, and I love that they are stackable. Oh, and yay, our chickens have finally started laying eggs. They've been laying now for probably about a month, and we're getting about 4 to 6 eggs per day. So excited about that. It takes forever, you guys, to get these guys to start laying. Like, it took them 7 months. Our patience has finally paid off.
Doesn't have to end. I'm sorry we got out in such a hurry. We went to the bottom, but it was worth it. Maybe we could still be friends. Maybe we could still be friends. Maybe we could still be friends.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave it a thumbs up. Hopefully it inspired someone to clean your pantry and fridge up, or some other area in the house that needs to be cleaned. I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. Stay safe and seek blessings. Until next time, my friends. Bye.